Alright, so I already removed the exhaust manifold. There's a port for the head. Over here is the manifold itself. Flip it around. There it is. And look at that. There was a crack already on the manifold. We just couldn't see it because it was from behind. Alright, so here's this is cast. I just cleaned it up just a little bit because it was like really bad, especially on one of these mounting bolts. I used a grinder to straighten it out, but go ahead and test fit it. Right now we'll go ahead and test the gasket as well. Hold on. Alright, so here's the manifold. The only thing, this top stud, we need to trim it down. When we push it, it hits on the cast, and there's still a gap on the back, about a 1/4 inch. So we're just gonna trim that one just a bit. Alright, I just trimmed the stud just a little bit. I already test fitted the little cast manifold, and it fits good. I'm gonna use this gasket that they sent in. This is one of those composite gaskets, although it has like a little sheet of metal on both sides and then the composite right through the middle. But the other one won't fit this manifold, so I'm still gonna use this. Alright, so there it is, all bolted up to the block. Right now I'm going to get the turbo, it's right here. I'm going to get the turbo and just test fit it right here. See if it doesn't hit on the radiator fan and this little AC line right here. So I'm going to go ahead and try that. This one came in with turbo manifold, and over here I have the one that came in with the turbo. Not much of a difference, they're both the same pieces. Actually, this one's just a bit thicker. I think I'm gonna use this It is gonna hit right here. I went ahead and took off the AC compressor with the bracket, and also the 2 lines that were going towards this is one of them, towards the AC, and the other one from here, it looped and it connected onto the compressor just to give me enough space. There was also a bracket right here that held the catalytic or whatever up, and it bolted up right there. So I took that one off. Now there's like a whole lot of space right there, really clean. So yeah, here are the parts. The radiator fan, that's the second one. The AC bracket with pulley, the AC compressor, and one of the hoses. So radiator still has another fan over here. If I do take off this AC condenser, I'll probably put another radiator fan from this side to push the air towards that side. But now this turbo should go ahead and fit there, so I'm gonna put this in a tripod while we just test fit it real quick. Let's see if we should do it this way or the other way. Not like this, because we have to take off this other radiator fan. Alright, so I had to separate the turbo to grind off right here, just to straighten off the base where it was going to bolt up to the manifold, just to make sure the washers sit all the way in nice and flush. I did that. I think this one was like the one that needed the most, but these other ones over here, these look pretty good. Now they all sits straight right there in the middle, flush to the ground. So now we're good. Now I'm just gonna put everything back together and go try it over there in the car again. You want to see if you can find the wrench? Very top. So I had to remove the other half of the turbo to give me enough clearance to tighten this bolt right here, this nut. But now that that's in, gasket's all sealed, I can put everything back, clock it, and I already have the box with the oil feed line and the return. The only thing I'm gonna have to buy to get the oil circulating is the little bung that goes right here on the oil pan. It's full of sludge, so when I take this off, like the oil pan, I'll clean it, and I'm gonna drill a hole somewhere around right here, and that way I can put the oil, the little bung for the oil return right here. And because there's not a lot of space towards this side, this is only like a 3-quart pan. I hear water. So this is only like a 3-quart pan. That's all the oil that it takes, 3 quarts. And so yeah, somewhere around right here. Once I clean it up, I'll drill a hole, and that'll be our return. But let's go ahead and get that turbo installed, clocked. We'll put the oil feed, which should be behind the engine somewhere. I'll look for it. But let's go ahead and continue. Alright, so I already installed the turbo. Put the other half back on. The bolts are just, hand tightened. That way I can clock this. Once I have everything set up, I'll just tighten it. Here's the kit, the oil feed and return line kit. So we have the oil feed. This is a stainless braided oil feed line. We have the nylon braided return line, and then we have the little hardware that came with it. So this is for the return line with the gasket, and then this one just goes right here. Once I have the return line fitted with these little couplings, little adapters or whatever, they go bolted on from here all the way down to the oil pan. This is the bung for the drain, but this is aluminum, and the oil pan on this engine is metal, so this one right here won't work in my situation, so I'm gonna have to order another return bung. This is a T-fitting for the oil. Wherever the oil pressure sending unit is located at, we'll just tee it off of there. And then they also included the little fittings and just a cap, a plug. And then this is the inlet, the oil feed. It already has like a small little hole just to let just a little bit of oil, that way we don't have any smoking or anything like that. But I'm gonna do whatever I can right now, which is probably put the T and the oil feed, this little line, this adapter. Like I said, the only thing I'm probably gonna wait on is just this one, just order a different one where I could put onto the oil pan. The adapter plates for the oil feed and the return line are already installed. So now I'm going to go ahead and install the T fitting for the oil feed. This one goes back here. There's the oil pressure sending unit, the switch. So I'm going to take that off, and then right here on this T, I'm going to put this little coupling right here with a little bit of Teflon, and then cap one of those ends. One of them is, I'm going to put that switch, I'm going to put it back on one of them, and then the other one I'm going to use to connect the feed line. Alright guys, so everything on the turbo is already connected. It's already clocked and the bolts are tightened. All these on the sides are tightened. we have the oil feed line connected. Right now we'll go show you through the top. The drain, I have this where the line connects, the nylon return line, where it connects right here, but I wasn't sure whether to put like a straight coupler or like a curved one. The pan, I still don't have the bung for the pan, so I'm gonna wait either to get like a curved one, and then we'll put either a straight line or something here. We'll figure it out. For now, I'm gonna go ahead and start the car. I think the car is ready to go ahead and give it its first start. I haven't started it or anything like that, so we'll see. It should be, you know, ready to spray some oil through it. At least we don't have a wastegate or anything like that, but it won't spin as fast. But at least just to see the oil feed. So this one, it's just straight up, and then I just passed it right here for now. I was thinking of getting like a curved one, the ones that have like a metal thing and then just curved. That way I could like reroute it or something. But for now, this is good. It's a temporary thing. You know, we're still missing like a whole lot of pieces to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it, see what she does. Dirty Taco Bell cup. I'm gonna change the oil anyways. So it should be just a little bit right there. See, there's the... Alright, let's go ahead and start it. This is the gasket that came with the turbo. I have the gasket over there that came with the manifold. I thought it was just a little bit better, so. No downpipe, no wastegate, no piping connected. Let's go ahead and give it its first go. Here we go. Let's go ahead and check the oil. Oh yeah. That's the belt. I need to replace the belt. It's pretty dry. She's spinning. The wastegate, some exhaust is escaping from here. She's spinning. You just can't see it on the... You can barely see it moving, but it is spinning. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. That's some nasty oil. Woo, that is hot. That's good enough. That is good enough. Alright, so pretty good for the first test. We aimed the club directly right there underneath the drain. The oil is pretty bad. It hasn't been changed, so I'm gonna have to replace that. But I'd say this was a successful first run, first start. So I'll put a few things in a checklist. Whoops. I need to get the bung for the oil pan. I need to get a wastegate. We still don't have a wastegate. And of course, I still don't have piping. I still don't have an intercooler or a blow-off valve to go into the intake. A down pipe as well. But yeah, pretty good. Pretty good. So for now, I'm gonna go ahead and close the video. I'll come back to you guys with this car, the Mitsubishi Lab Rat. I'll come back with another video once I get some more parts. Today, the sun is coming out, it's hella hot. But, yep, please be sure and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more, and hope to see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.